Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jalen with Basic2Beauty here on YouTube, and today I am back with yet another luxury look for less DIY, and this time I will be showing you how I made this glamorized and affordable rhinestone balloon dog using products from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. Now, if you haven't guessed it by now, this DIY was heavily inspired by the American artist known as Jeff Koons. Jeff Koons was born in Pennsylvania in 1955, and he studied at the Maryland Institute College of Art in Baltimore in 1976. He currently lives with his wife and children in New York City, and his work has been shown in major galleries and institutes around the world. He is widely known for his balloon dog and rabbit sculpture, and when I came across this beautiful rhinestone balloon dog posted on ronrobinson.com, I was determined to make my own bedazzled balloon dog. And unlike the one that you can see here online, listed for $280, I was able to make my own for only $20. And if you just keep watching, I will show you how I did it. Also, as always, a full list of the items mentioned in today's video will be listed in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so you will need 6 packs of these small silver acrylic jewels that are available at Walmart for only $2.97 a piece, some E6000 glue that is also available at Walmart for only a few dollars and some change, and then of course you will need a ceramic balloon dog of your choice to use for your base. Now, because I wanted this DIY to be as affordable as possible, I went with this small silver ceramic balloon dog that I purchased a few weeks ago from the Dollar Tree. And although my balloon dog did not have near as much detailing as the one online, I still think that mine turned out just as cute, if not cuter than the original once all the jewels were glued on. You will also want to make sure that you have plenty of water and some good music to jam out to, because this DIY will take you approximately 5 hours or so to complete, but don't let that discourage you because the end result is worth it, I promise you. Once you have your materials ready and you're all set to go, you will then start gluing down the tiny acrylic jewels by hand to your dog one at a time using the E6000 glue and a small stick of your choice to position the jewels on your dog. When you are ready to start gluing down your jewels, it is best to leave a little dab of the E6000 glue sitting on a plate close to you, so that way you can grab a little bit of the glue, place it on the desired spot on your dog, and then go back in with your jewel and place the jewel on top of the glue so that it could dry. Now, of course, you can always use some hot glue instead of the E6000 glue, but just make sure that you're extra careful when you're gluing down the jewels with your fingers so that you do not burn yourself. Now, it is important to note that there are 2 different methods on how you can complete this step. The first method, as you can see here, I dip the stick into the glue and then I place the glue on top of the dog, and then using the same stick with some glue still on it, I use that to pick up the jewel and place it on top of the dog so that it could dry. Now, the second method, I dip the stick into the glue and I place the glue on the dog, and instead of using the stick again to pick up the jewel, I just picked up the jewel with my fingers and I placed them on top of the glue on top of the dog so that it could dry instead. Now, although both methods work, I would highly suggest the second method because it helped cut down my time of going back and forth with the stick and the jewels, as well as I was able to place more jewels down on top of the dog one at a time, which was a huge time saver for me in the end. Now that I've covered all of the bases with you, you should be able to repeat those same steps over and over again until your balloon dog has been fully covered in jewels. Now, in case I didn't mention it to you beforehand, it does not really matter what part of the dog you work on first or the order in which you cover your dog. But I decided to cover the body of my dog first, and then I covered the tail, his back legs, his front legs, his head, his ears, his nose, and of course I saved covering the tip of my dog for the last step. Alright guys, and that is how I made my very own Jeff Koons inspired rhinestone balloon dog using products from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. As I mentioned previously, a full list of items used to create this DIY will be listed in the description box below in case you are interested. And all in all, I must say that although this DIY was rather time consuming to create, the end results made everything worth it. And I cannot wait to add this beautiful piece to my bathroom decor. Thank you guys again so much for watching and hanging out with me. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video.